Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been 3 weeks since my last video, but I am back, you guys. I'm so happy to be here, and I have a mini vlog for you. So today's video, it's like a weekend mini vlog, and you guys are gonna get to see some home projects that we just recently finished, and also a little bit of the weekend. My brother's birthday was this past week, so we had like a little get together for him in the pool. I also finally got new patio furniture. I'm super excited to be decorating the patio soon, so stay tuned for that video. I'm also gonna share my new dining chairs. Finally, you guys, I feel like I have gone over 6 different dining chairs and I still couldn't find the one, but we did. I got some new ones a couple of months ago from what's the store? Patio Furniture. So I settled for those. Those look great with the style that I'm going for. So I hope you guys like them. And anyways, let me stop talking and get into today's video. So let's start with the exterior project. We added recessed lighting to the edges of the house, and the hubby also painted the yellow shutters for me, and he surprised me for the Mother's Day gift with a new driveway. It's something that I wanted to do. We did the extension, we painted it, but we were still not fully happy with it. So guess what? We got a new driveway. So here's the process. This is them taking out all the old pavers and then installing the new ones, and the outcome was stunning, you guys. It makes such a huge difference in the look of the house. Totally worth it. We got a great price because we did the backyard with the same company. So here's how they turned out. Look how pretty that looks. Show you a little clip of how the house looks at night. It looks really nice light up. It's hard to catch it on video, but this is how it looks. So the hubby started to clean out this area of our fence with the tree fence, and we went ahead and started taking out the rocks and adding mulch. And of course, while we were doing all of this, Jaden was enjoying the pool. And here it's my mom helping us. We went for the black mulch. I think it makes it look so much cleaner and modern at the same time. I also wanted to share you guys my new barbecue grill. Look how pretty this is. When we finish with the permits for the pool, we're gonna make this an outdoor kitchen permanent, and we're gonna extend it with some more, like an outdoor fridge and stuff like that. But here is the main thing, finally setting up the new furniture. I came across this dupes for Restoration Hardware. They're still pretty high-end price, you guys, because you're paying for the umbrella fabric and the good quality of the aluminum, but it's a lot cheaper than Restoration Hardware, so I'm going to link them below. I think they were the perfect size for this little area that I have here, and I'm loving how they turned out. Stay tuned for a full patio decorating video coming soon. So to finish up the space, I decided to add my fireplace. You guys know this is from Best Choice product from last year. Also, that little black side table that you see there is from Target. The rocks is from Burlington, and this is how everything pretty much look, just in time for my brother's birthday celebration. These cute little black and white pillows are from Burlington. And then after I was done setting up the furniture, we enjoyed our Sunday, celebrating my brother's birthday and enjoying the pool, the barbecue, grilling. You already know it was a good Sunday, you guys. Of course, the projects never end, so I have some issues with my pavers that were sinking, so the company came to replace them, and they also came to remove pavers. We needed to remove 5 feet per city regulations in order to pass our pool permits. So that's pretty much what they were doing on Monday. And you guys, this is pretty much it for this video, but before I end up this video, I want to show you the new dining chairs. This is how they look. They're from City Furniture. I have to clean them because, we had a party and stuff like that, but I found these covers that I'm using for them that they work great from Amazon, and I wanted to show them to you. because oh my god, you need covers in your life if you have white furniture like me.
If I listen to